Ranchero 66. Finally got it home. Finally got the shifter in. Got it all dialed in, fucking cut. Just gotta put some interior, put in the stereo, start buttoning things down, but B&M Shifter's finally in. A little dirty, but it's all in. Oh yeah. Works out pretty nice. You gotta trim it on the 66 though. Had to trim it. Once I put the carpet in, it'll be fine. But this is the update though. Just need interior. It's not too bad though. Check it out. Willwood came out nice. Front and back. It's got the paint on it. And of course you gotta do the usual stuff like gauges and stuff, but gotta wash it and then start throwing some paint on it. But it runs good, transmission's good. Gonna be running Willwood. Gonna do it myself and run an external keg tank on it. Yeah.